The world of action cameras is heating up with new developments, especially after news emerged that DJI might be working on its first 360-degree camera, possibly named the Osmo 360. This revelation has stirred interest in the tech community and placed pressure on GoPro, a longtime leader in the space. In response, it's rumored that GoPro is planning to unveil the second-generation version of its 360-degree camera, tentatively called the GoPro Max 2. Fans are anxiously awaiting this release, which could redefine the competition in immersive camera technology. A prominent tech insider recently shared early visuals of what might be the GoPro Max 2. These leaked images suggest notable changes, such as a modular design and better thermal management to upgrades that would tackle known flaws of the original Max model. A standout feature is the continued use of a rounded lens shape, a design choice that supports complete 360-degree video capture. This design direction stays true to GoPro's goal of delivering fully immersive footage. Another big change is a ribbed exterior, which isn't just for looks, it likely serves to dissipate heat more effectively. Overheating was a major drawback in the earlier model, especially during extended use or in warm environments. The updated design could provide more reliability for adventure filmmakers and travel vloggers alike. Improved heat handling is key for these types of cameras. Excessive temperatures can impact performance and wear down the hardware. By making strides in this area, GoPro could be setting up the Max 2 as a trustworthy upgrade. Additionally, a front-facing display appears below the lens, just like in the previous model. This screen helps users frame shots, change settings, and check footage while on the move. There's speculation that this display might receive some usability enhancements too. While the original GoPro Max was praised for its 6K video capabilities, it was criticized for overheating and poor performance in low-light situations. Since then, rivals have released models boasting features like 8000 resolution at high frame rates. If GoPro wants to remain a top contender, the Max 2 will need to match or surpass these specs while improving on its past weak points. One particularly exciting rumor is that the Max 2 could support a modular system. This could open the door to a variety of custom configurations, such as attaching larger lenses for better low-light footage or adding accessories to boost audio quality or durability. This flexibility would allow users to tailor the camera to their shooting needs. As for availability, some sources suggest the Max 2 might not officially hit the market until late 2025. Although that date isn't confirmed, the growing number of leaks has certainly built up anticipation. If GoPro succeeds in fixing the original model's problems while introducing competitive new features, the Max 2 might re-establish its place at the top of the 360-degree camera market. On the other side of the story, DJI has made waves with new leaks about its Osmo 360, offering a closer look at what's possibly coming. Though key specs like the sensor size remain unknown, product images reveal two versions, the standard kit and a more advanced creator combo. The standard bundle includes the camera itself, a lens cap, a battery, a USB-C cable, a microfiber cloth, and a small carrying pouch. Silver pins on the base of the device suggest it might support a modular add-on system, something consistent with DJI's previous designs. The creator combo adds a lot more, like extra batteries, a multi-battery charger, an extension rod, and a magnetic mount with a cold shoe. There's even a two-prong mount that hints at compatibility with other DJI accessories. Also spotted is a rectangular charging case, reminiscent of the one used for the Osmo Action series. Although there is still no confirmation on the sensor details, rumors point to a sensor over 1.3 inches in size. There are also whispers of other DJI products in the pipeline, such as the Osmo Nano and the third-generation DJI Mic. The Osmo 360 is expected to be priced between $550 and $600, making it a direct competitor to devices like the Insta360X5, which boasts 8K video and launched earlier in 2025. Some online clips have shown the Osmo 360 in action, possibly part of a strategic leak. One observer claimed the image quality surpasses that of the Insta360X5, though this remains to be seen. Leaked visuals display a compact body, rounded lenses, and overall design suited for capturing fully immersive content. Internal teardowns suggest that DJI has used a smart internal mirror setup, similar to the Insta360X3. This allows the camera to redirect light efficiently without increasing the device's size, a creative way to maintain compactness while improving power. The user manual reveals integration with the DJI Mimo app, a 1950 mAh battery, 300 USB-C fast charging, as well as wireless features like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. There are physical controls alongside a touchscreen interface, and support for a range of additional gear. Despite all this, industry sources say the camera hasn't yet entered wide distribution, and trade factors may be slowing things down. Nonetheless, DJI appears to be seriously targeting the 360-degree camera market. Rendered images based on leaked blueprints show a sleek device with a dual lens layout and small form factor. Compared to the Insta360X4 and DJI's own Action 5 Pro, the Osmo 360 looks easier to carry while retaining strong functionality. There's a front screen to assist users while filming, along with simplified controls and a power button on the side. One critique from observers is that the front screen could be larger for easier viewing. Interestingly, the camera appears to lack a mounting hook, something that's popular in competing models. Still, DJI's design emphasizes portability and wireless performance, with two antennas for stable connectivity. The Osmo 360 has already gone through regulatory testing and received its FCC certification, indicating that an official launch might happen soon, possibly before the year-end holiday rush. Given DJI's strong track record in camera innovation, whether for drones or handheld devices, this upcoming release could push the boundaries even further and create serious competition for GoPro and Insta360.